Hey guys, today I'm gonna be videoing my grandma making French toast. So yeah. Okay, so you're on the camera.
I'm on the camera with my hair not combed. Okay.
Who cares? It's fine.
So I'm gonna make French toast.
Yep.
And I'm showing you. Let's see. The ingredients that I need. I'm getting the bread out.
The bread.
1, 2, 3,
4, 5, 6.
6. Because you're gonna eat 2. I will eat 2, and Papa will eat 2. Grandpa, Papa.
Same thing.
Same thing. Grandpa, Papa. What do you call him? Papa?
Nope.
Papa Noble. Papa Noble. Okay. All right.
Okay.
Get the bread out. Okay, I'll stop acting weird.
Fine. It's okay. You don't have to stop acting weird.
All right.
I do weird stuff on my channel, so
okay.
you don't have to.
So.
Okay.
I'm gonna turn the oven on low right now to get my ingredients.
Okay.
Okay.
This is her pan, square pan thingy-majiggy.
All right. So for the amount that I'm making, I'm gonna put 2 eggs.
2 eggs. 2 eggs. I'm behind the camera. Pay attention.
All right. 2 eggs. Let's put them in the garbage. Can you put them in the garbage for me?
Yes. Yeah. Ew, my hand got off.
All right.
Okay, it's fine. Whatever. How it will get dirty. Okay.
All right. Milk. I don't measure. I just pour.
So I won't be putting that in the description below.
All right. Measure. Well, pour.
That looks like 10 gallons. I'm just joking. Don't put 10 gallons. You'll probably like fill up the whole pan or something.
Then I put sugar.
Sugar and spice. Everything next.
See, you told me not to act weird, but
Oh, she caught it. I said you can act weird if you want to.
All right, sugar. Don't measure that either.
She doesn't measure anything.
Nope, don't measure.
I don't even know how to measure that good.
Sugar.
I just want to eat. It smells so good already.
That's because you smell the bacon cooking.
Oh, bacon. Where's the bacon? Oh, it's the bacon's in the oven.
All right. Then.
Okay. He's looking for her stuff.
Oh, Pat, you know what we need?
Sugar.
No, we got some for today, but we're gonna need some more. All right, cinnamon.
Doesn't measure that either.
Lots of cinnamon.
Oh my gosh, that almost messed up my nose for a second because it smells so weird. It smells like apple cinnamon something. It smells like something from Starbucks. Vanilla extract. Doesn't measure that either. This is a cooking video. Check out my grandma's channel.
Oh,
subscribe to her. Pat and Michelle Noble. Pat and Michelle Noble. Subscribe to them. They have 1 subscriber. But I subscribed, but I probably might not be even watching sometimes because I might be posting videos on my channel. And this is going on my channel, not theirs. So they're gonna do a cooking video on their channel and mine.
Well, you can share it to me. Can't you share it to me?
And I don't know. When you guys do the how many cookies? We're gonna do another one later for cookies. It's going on my channel and their channel. They're gonna be vlogging and I'm gonna be vlogging. That looks so weird. Mix, 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 mix. I smell something burning.
You smell the bacon.
Just watch close.
That's the bacon. You keep stirring until it's completely mixed.
Completely mixed.
Alright.
Completely.
Waiting on the frying pan. Warm up.
See, if I'm zooming in on everything we do.
So we got syrup. butter out.
Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Okay, guys, I'm sorry. I just wanted to do something fun. I like zooming in for some reason. Do 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 do. Okay, you have to explain what you're doing.
I am. Getting everything else out.
Oh, he's getting stuff out. We got a blue plate. You need.
That's what I put. That's what I put this.
Hey, can I look at the bacon?
Yeah.
That's the bacon. It smells so good. I love bacon. If you don't like bacon, you need to try it because it's delicious.
Bacon.
Bacon and eggs. Yeah, problem. None of your business. I'm zooming in on you because you're messing up the whole cooking video. Okay, she sprayed the pan thingy square thingy with the butter. Wait, it's OG trans fat
The butter cooking spray.
per serving for fat-free cooking. The camera won't put it in all the way, so
That's why you just hold it out.
camera won't focus. I know how to vlog.
Okay.
It looks so good. Okay, let me put this on the counter right here. Just right there. Okay, there we go. She's putting it in the. Zoom in on that nice baby. Yeah, it looks delicious. Yeah, I'm zooming in on everything. Just want to eat it while it's raw and not cooked. Oh, your arms. Look at all the nice bread and the cinnamon. Okay.
That's it.
That's it? Okay, that's it. Well, it's not it. We're going to do another one with some cookie. That's not it. You have to show them what to do for the. We're doing a breakfast thingamajiggy.
You don't even know what it's called. You call it a thingamajiggy.
I don't care. A breakfast cooking thing or whatever you call it. I'm new to this stuff. Okay. Oh no, I have a hole in my plate. Okay. Look at all this nice dip. Oh, that smells good. Smells good.
Back up.
Okay. I just wanna eat now. And now it's so delicious. I just wanna eat now. Look at my toes. Side. I just wanna eat now. Eat now. Ooh, it looks so good. How long do you let it sit for?
Until I think that it's cooked on one side, and then I'll flip it over.
Oh, look at the honey buns that are iced. Oh my gosh. They smell like donuts that I got from Circle K. Literally, it was big and it had the same icing on it. Oh, it's so good. I don't even know why I'm looking at this. It's gonna make you even more hungry. Don't look already. Ooh, Frosted Flakes. There's my shampoo and conditioner that you washed my hair with yesterday. These are. Where do you even buy these small bowls from? You would like. Where do you even buy these small bowls? These small bowls from?
I'm not sure. I leave that out because that's what Papa Noble warms up his syrup.
Oh my gosh, that's a pizza cutter. I think. Oh my gosh, I can see the egg in that one, like white stuff. See, look, guys. Spying on the French toast. Oh no, it's on me. Oh my gosh, guys. You can't even look at this right now. This is so good. Okay, you guys can't see yet. That's my hand covering. I'll wait till I cover up the last one so you guys can see the full example. Whoa, they look so good. I can't wait to eat my French toast. Sorry. I'm gonna go get my cup. Okay, don't want to show him. Sorry guys, I covered up the camera. I got a cup.
Set it on the counter. Alright, put your TV tray up.
TV tray, TV tray. My what? Okay.
Jackie, that's hard.
Hey. My back hurts. I've been standing here for way too long. Bacon. Bacon. Oh my gosh. The bacon looks delicious. I can't wait to eat you, yeah. Don't act like you've never seen me weird before.
You are weird.
Go to two-step and cavalry. With the go down and give with it.
I think we're gonna need another syrup soon too.
Gonna do two-step and cowboy with the go down and get up with the get up with.
Or next weekend when you want the French toast again, we're gonna need another cinnamon and another syrup.
You guys plan what you want to eat every week?
He does.
You guys have a schedule or something?
He does.
Every Sunday,
Yes.
French toast. Every Saturday, French toast. What is
Sometime
Saturday?
through the weekend, he likes French toast.
I don't care. I can have French toast any day of the week. Or French toast sticks. Oh! Gonna do Tuesday. Gonna do Tuesday. Gonna do Tuesday. And cowboy. Sweetheart has been over. Ooh. Time for a commercial break.
Since your mommy's coming, make sure you let her know what groceries y'all need in the house, please.
Okay. Time for a commercial break. Have you ever felt like you needed something really fast?
Let her know that your daddy's going to be putting some money on your lunch account.
Okay. Have you ever felt like you need something really fast? Like French toast and bacon and eggs? Yeah, that's what I want. So they need to hurry up, because I'm hungry. Ew, I just licked the camera. Yeah. Bye. Commercial break over. Oopsie. Delicious. I just licked it. Bacon looks so good. I wanna eat you. Bacon. Bacon and eggs. Let's just sit here and stare.
So you want how many French toast? 2?
3.
No, 2.
2.
And then you want eggs too?
Bacon.
Just bacon, no eggs.
Oh my gosh. We need to buy a door for this. So when he says bacon, we can just shut it. Oh my gosh, that one looks so good.
Yeah, flip it again.
Bacon. Don't say bacon. Bacon. Look at that. Which one looks better? Left or right? Left or right? Yeah, left or right. Oh. Ooh. Go do I'm weird. Don't judge me. Okay, that side looks better.
Oh,
Zoom in.
oh, bro.
Say hi. No? I just wanna eat it now.
Yeah, I got it, man. I got it. Damn. Man, I was thinking about calling you yesterday anyway. I said, man, I ain't heard from you in a minute.
Don't mind. This is something. Just no. I saw it. Cooking video, good. I'm not gonna film all of it because my hand's getting tired, but whatever. Okay, now that looks good.